Right, what's up social media? So I have a mega nutritious salad for you guys today. This is the 12 superfood salad. It's quite a few ingredients, but it doesn't take that long to make. So let me show you. I'm gonna run through them. You need kale, orange juice or oranges, sunflower seeds, red grapes, dried cherries, edamame, non-fat Greek yogurt, olive oil, quinoa, walnuts, pecans, and those are the 12 superfoods. Now let me show you the other ingredients as well. You have brown sugar and feta cheese. All right, so that's all you need, guys. And blueberries. My apologies, blueberries as well. I have everything in the salad except for the quinoa and the blueberries, and I'm gonna put them in now. All right. Very tasty, guys. Once you eat this, you are set. This is really good for dinner or for lunchtime. Loaded with nutrition. Everything you need is in here. Quinoa only takes about 5 minutes to cook on the stove. Not long at all. If that, you're getting a lot of protein from the quinoa, good carbohydrates. Blueberries have good carbs as well. You're getting tons of vitamins and minerals from the kale. Getting a lot of vitamin C from your orange juice. A lot of antioxidants from your blueberries and your dried cherries. It's just awesome salad. I'm sure I'm leaving some things out. A lot of protein and calcium from the Greek yogurt. This bad boy is loaded. Protein is in the edamame as well. If you don't know, edamame has probably, as far as beans, it has one of the highest protein contents. All right. So this is it here, guys. Let me put it in a bowl for you so you can see it a little bit better. Delicious. Delicious, delicious. And again, this is really good for lunch or for dinner. Everything you need is in here. Alright, and that's it, guys. And that is the 12 superfood salad. So if you guys like it, please follow my Instagram at bleedgreen87. My Facebook is B2B Health and Fitness, and my YouTube is Brolic130. Alright, thanks.